Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with GustonShow.com. I'm seeing a lot of this right now. If you file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, that 2-year window period after that discharge, if you're late, it's an automatic disqualification from getting a loan. So keep that in mind. If you go bankrupt, you discharge it, and you're late in that 2-year window, it's an automatic denial. If you wait two years and you're clean, and then you're really late that next day with bunch of stuff, that's also bad. So the bankruptcy is like a second chance on life, and if you disregard it, the underwriter says you have a disregard for debt, so you're not worth lending to. So be careful. If you go bankrupt, it's a great tool to relieve your pressure off you, but if you go right back to paying things late, the underwriters aren't going to close loans for you. So keep that in mind. That is Chapter 7 bankruptcies. Now, if you do a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you got to be good for a long time, because a Chapter 13 usually takes about 5 years. You have to be perfect that whole 5 years you're in that 13. They're going to ask for the last 12 months of your bankruptcy payment history, so the last 12 months better be perfect. And if you open any credit cards outside of the bankruptcy while you're in the bankruptcy and you went late on those, that's disregard for debt in the underwriter's eyes. So you got to be clean all the way through it. Good news is we can do loans when you're in the Chapter 13, so you don't have to wait 5 years to get a loan, or 2 years after it's discharged, so 7 years. We can do it 1 year into the bankruptcy, so you don't have to wait and be good for 7 years just to get a mortgage. So most lenders would look at that. A Chapter 13, 99% of lenders out there would say you can't do anything until you're 2 years discharged from that Chapter 13, which that takes 5 years to get through. So call GustonShow.com. We can help you out, but if you're going to go bankrupt, you better be a good payer after the bankruptcy or during your Chapter 13. Give me a call if you got any questions, 630-915-7550.